Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick tutorial on how to create a team in Toon Blast. So let's dive in straight into the video since the process is quite easy. First of all, open your Toon Blast application from your app drawer. Once you start playing the game, from the main home page, go ahead and tap on the friends icon at the bottom right, but remember that you can only create and join into a team on Toon Blast after you cross level 20. If you've not yet reached to level 21, then you will not be able to enable this option. So after you go ahead and complete your level 20, go ahead and tap on your friends icon at the bottom right. This will then list you up with teams from where you can join in. To create a new team, tap on the Create tab at the top of the screen. Once you see this interface, give it a name to your team by typing it in the team name text box. Now, you can select the badge you'd like to set up for your team by tapping on the Browse button right next to Badge. Select a badge to use for your team and go ahead and enter a short description about your team. After you type in a short description for your team, go ahead and select your team type from the next option. You can choose between open team or closed team. After you select your team type, select the required level for the person who would want to join into your team. Remember that you have to reach level 50 to increase your required level limit. And after you are done setting it up, tap on the Create button in order to create a team for yourself. Remember that creating a team will have you spend 100 coins. On the next page, enter your name and tap on Continue. Wait for a few seconds and you will be able to create a new team on Toon Blast. Now, if you want to invite your friends to your team, you can tell them the name of your team and then they can use the team tab to search for your team's name and join in. Now, that is how you can easily create a new team on Toon Blast. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.